I'm James Spann. This is the Weather Xtreme video for Thursday, the 25th day of March. Some active weather across the state today. Maybe some strong storms, maybe severe, maybe the key word, some challenging issues involving the evolution of the weather today. Let's take a look at things this morning. It's raining early this morning. That's the Tuscaloosa sky cam where rain is falling, and the air is pretty stable. Dew points are in the upper 40s to near 50. So no severe weather problems this morning. There's the Fayette sky cam to the north. Again, rain falling there. And up in Decatur, rain is falling in Morgan County in the Tennessee Valley. Pretty good looking trough there, as you can see. And again, this is late March, and anytime you have something like that coming at us, you have to be aware of the potential for active storms. But the big question is this. That's the 5 o'clock radar, and rain is pretty widespread across the state. Even some thunder involved in some of those spots, especially over in Pickens County. And of course, the question is, can we recover from the morning rain and destabilize for more storms this afternoon? That remains to be seen. Instability anyway is marginal, and certainly with that might shut things down for today. There's a look at the larger picture, and you can see some thunderstorms back around the Memphis area, extending back down into Louisiana. So if we do see severe weather later today, this rain really has to stop, and it would almost be needed to have some low-level heating, some sunshine to bring the instability values up a little bit. There's a look at our watch warning map. Things are pretty quiet. Some wind advisories over Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, eastern Texas. And really, that's about it. There's our convective outlook today. Again, the guys at SPC have trimmed the risk a little bit, and that's the standard slight risk for Alabama, generally west of Interstate 65, and a pretty good chunk of Mississippi and parts of southwestern Tennessee. And there's the rain for the next 5 days, valid through Monday evening at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches, and that would be with the rain today and the next rain event on Sunday. Let's take a look. This is the OZGFS at 1 o'clock today. There's your trough, the shortwave. And down below that, the surface low is 1,004 millibars north of Memphis. And we'll take a look at the various severe weather parameters. First off, the surface-based CAPE. This is valid at 7 o'clock this evening. And just a little narrow tongue of instability up through West Alabama and East Mississippi. And the values are as high as 500 joules on the Alabama-Mississippi border. But as you can see, that is awfully limited. Now, the helicity looks good. This is the 0 to 1 kilometer helicity. And again, for much of Alabama, that would support some rotating updrafts if we can get some sustained storms and updrafts going, and that is a big question mark. There's the STP. This is the significant tornado parameter, and that number is fairly significant, running from near Tuscaloosa down to Mobile. And again, that's this evening at 7 o'clock. And let's look at the high-resolution RPM output, and this is valid at, let's see, this is 0:30. That would be 7:30 this evening. And you can see that new line of storms stretching from the Tennessee Valley down to about Tuscaloosa and Demopolis. And if anything pops, it's more than likely going to be in that region. So the bottom line is, if we do see severe weather, it's beginning to look like it would be late this afternoon and early tonight, a pretty narrow window. We'd say maybe from 4 o'clock until 8 o'clock. And the storm should weaken as they move into East Alabama, as the air over there should be more stable. So I don't think this will be a major problem. But what do you do with thunderstorms? Yeah, expect the unexpected. We'll be watching. Tomorrow, all that's gone now. It's going to be a cooler day. We've got northerly flow, and the clouds will probably linger into tomorrow morning. And again, the guidance is pretty cool for tomorrow. And it might be right. It all depends on when the sun breaks out. Actually, both the GFS and the NAM have come around to agree a little better. They've got a high of 61 for tomorrow. At one point, the NAM had a high of 51. But anyway, we'll say the sky becoming partly sunny by afternoon and cooler. Saturday looks fine. Should be a beautiful day. Sunny with a high close to 70. Here comes the next system on Sunday. And there's the trough, and down below that, again, a broad surface low north of us, and a band of showers should be coming through. And this run is a little faster, maybe suggesting the rain would be in here early Sunday morning. And again, the severe weather potential with this looks awfully limited. Probably not a big deal with that. And then Monday, that's gone. That looks good. And much of next week looks fine. There's Tuesday, sunny and mild. Wednesday, beautiful, sunny with highs well up in the 70s. And Thursday looks good. And really, beyond that, things look pretty quiet. We'll go all the way to the end of the forecast. This is April the 9th. Hey, look at the cold trough over the east. Got that 540 line down to Huntsville. Very cold air to the north. Again, the idea of a late season cold snap is very real. We people that want to go out there and plant stuff that's harmed by a freeze, it's way too early to do that. Could we escape without a freeze? Of course, but based on the winter we've had and the pattern, we figured that some type of late season cold snap out there is almost inevitable, and that certainly suggests that might happen there if this is right. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.